Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis yesterday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made, as it was another very eventful day. Now, granted, volume dropped off quite a bit. However, volume was still very, very respectable. So there's still a lot of eyeballs watching this one moving forward. So the first dynamic to not really update, but comment on, but talked about this red line here being an area of resistance. And you can see that this morning, the price actually was able to slightly get above that area. The problem is that didn't last very long. And in fact, it was almost like when the price got above there, somebody just flipped the switches and the momentum just disappeared. And then from that point, it was basically all selling pressure the remainder of the day until finally the price could at least start to go sideways down here a little bit. But point here being $4 remains that key level of resistance to watch closely going forward if there is any sort of attempted recovery back to the upside. The good news, though, is that the main level and very important level of support, which I talked about on Monday down here at $3, was never even tested. I mean, I suppose it got somewhat close right here, but still, it's not like the price was, battling it or, threatening to go below it. Now, that could always change going into the future, but as things stand right now, yeah, it was disappointing that the price got rejected from that $4 mark, but at least the price didn't, get rejected and then come all the way down here and then start to, slop around this area, which, at that point, it wouldn't be a very valid thought that, well, maybe this level is about to fail. So from that point of view, at least $3 continues to hold strong. Now, I do want to adjust this level of resistance down because if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, at this point, before you put too much focus on $4, let's first see if the price can now break above that $3.50 mark, which appeared to reveal itself today as a main area of resistance. So we'll watch those couple levels going forward, and then $3 again, that main level of support, which wasn't even tested, not even close. But overall, yeah, a little bit of a disappointing day, but big picture wise, good to see $3 continues to hold. So let's see how this one plays out on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.